now. You see now. I told you. You see how we do it here? Do you see how we do it here? Okay, this is a mind. Hi guys, welcome to the village. I'm so happy today. I finally get to deliver this content to you. You've been asking for it for a long time. I'm sure it's been 2 years asking for safety management type of salaries. We are here today. You know guys, I can't just post 2 salaries from one industry. I need to at least have 5. Then we can make a video, you know. Let's start with this HSE officer, okay? They live in Rustenburg. The company has 9 sites. They have 9 years of industry experience, diploma in safety management, and a SAMTRAC certificate, risk management in mining certificate. Yo guys, there's so many certificates here. I think I'm gonna list them in the description box, okay? Scaffolding inspector, there's a lot, okay? They are registered with SACPCMP and SAIOSH. Yo, that's a lot of certificates. But check the description box, guys. I got you. Basic salary 21,523. Cell phone allowance 400 rands. Travel allowance 3,000. Medical aid 2.5. Safety incentive 2,000 rands. Okay. Is this a mine? Let me see. No, this is not a mine, guys. Yeah, this is not a mine. Otherwise, no ways. There is no way. There is no way. Okay, so the company specializes in civil and mining solutions for the mines. So they work in the industry, but they don't work directly for the mine. So I think this is why the salary is a bit low. Okay, so let's look at this safety officer. This one studied safety management from UNISA. They have a BTEC with 6 years of experience. And yes, they are a safety officer, 6 years of work experience. Oh, wait a minute. You see now, I told you that's not a safety officer with mine. You see how we do it here? Do you see how we do it here? Okay, this is a mine. Cash component 104,162. Bonus 153. Sorry guys, we had to do the one with the bonus. Beggars can't be choosers. If someone sends me a payslip with a bonus, I can say, oh no, don't give me that one. Give me one without a bonus. Guys, it's hard to get people to share their salaries. If it was easy, there would be another creator doing what I'm doing. If it was that easy, it's not easy. Okay, beggars can't be choosers. I'm a beggar, so I'll take this one with the incentive. Total earnings 257,000. Okay, normal tax 96,946. Total deductions 103,000. Net pay of 153. Okay. Okay. It's getting heated here. It's getting heated here. Okay, let's see another safety officer. This one had grade 12 and a certificate in quality management. Okay, quality management. Basic salary 23,824. Overtime, there's a lot of overtime and transport allowance. Okay, and then there's leave something 3,200. So for this month, gross earnings were 47,622. Total deductions 16,209 and a net pay 201 and a net pay of 31,460. Okay. So job title, job title is Senior Quality Inspector. And they are in KZN. Yeah, that's the job title. senior quality inspector, but they did a course in quality management. Okay, so it's not safety, sorry. Right, now let's go to this SHEQ, which is SHEQ officer. This one, 6 years of experience with 3 different companies, different industries. So SHEQ, guys, stands for safety, health, environment, and quality. Okay, so I'm happy with this one because they showed us a progress where they started, you know. So let's just see what we can expect. So job title for the first job, it was HSE Compliance Manager. Okay, they were earning 24,376 and a pay of 19,478. And then the second one, they were now a SHEQ manager. They were earning 39,360. Okay, there was a jump, and the net pay of 27,674. Last one, now they were at a level where they have 12 years of experience. Okay, total earnings 50,876, and then there's something else, 316. Total earnings 51,192. Company contributions 5,434. Total deductions 19,466, and then a pay of 31,726. At this point, they were in the metals industry, 12 years of experience. Their qualification is environmental management with a certificate from SAMTRAC. Okay, I don't know how you pronounce it, guys. SAMTRAC. Okay, amongst others. Wow, I don't know, what do you think? Please like and share this video if you find value, of course. I don't know, guys, what do you think? I'm not familiar with this industry, so I'm not going to comment a lot because I'm not familiar with it. Before we go to this health and safety specialist, let's go to this quality manager. I just put them here, but they have a PSc in biochemistry and microbiology and have 6 years of industry experience, like in the meat industry. That includes 4 years as a quality control officer and 2 years as a quality management. And this one, guys, please listen carefully. They would like you to tell them like salary ranges with this type of experience and qualification and job title, what they could be earning possibly. Please don't mislead them, you know. If you don't know, it's fine, you don't need to say anything, but if you have an idea, please just advise them. Oh gosh, another payslip from Durban. You know, the only thing I'm worried about, if you did this degree, it means you have maths and science. That's the only thing I'm worried about. And this salary, basic salary 19,200, gross earnings 19,200, mid savings, blah, blah. Total deductions 5,570, and then a pay of 13,629. They call it a quality manager. Hey guys, I don't know your industry, okay, but something is amiss here. Something is definitely amiss. I'm sorry. No, something is not on here. Now let's look at this health and safety specialist. This one is a director. They own a consulting company, which they founded in 2020. Yeah, so what they did here, they just showed me what, you know, like if you own, like you have your own company, your accountant needs to state how much you are earning per month. You know, like sometimes you want to do something, so they need to confirm besides the besides the bank statements, so sometimes they'll need to confirm how much you are earning. I've never had to do that. If I send bank statements for staff, it's enough. But anyway, here they say he earns 89,700. He pays himself 89,700. Let me just check their CV, because I have their CV. Let me know if I think this person, guys, should come and speak to us, because I feel like there is so much going on in your industry, right? And there is so much potential for self-employment, but you just need to know the how. Okay, so let me know in the comments section if you would like to have this person come to the village and just talk to you about stuff, how to get started in this industry, like self-employment and so on. You know, I'm also interested in knowing. But let me check his CV for what he has done. So they have a diploma from Val University of Technology, National Diploma in Safety Management, and then certifications. They have basic firefighter, emergency first aid level 1. They also have safety file. They also have incident accident investigation, first aid level 1 and 2. Okay, yeah, so those are the qualifications, guys. I think it's a good one. I don't know, what do you think? Okay, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please like and share it with someone that might need it. Please let me know if there are people that would like me to host. But guys, I've given up on engineers and artisans. Those people are unreliable. You know, they're just unreliable. They'll cancel on you last minutes. Yeah, so this is why I just find it easier to interview people in the technology industry, because I feel like they see the need for them to do these interviews. You know, it works for them, you know, profiling and stuff. But maybe engineers, they don't really need it. Okay, so this is why they can just cancel when on last minute. Yeah, guys, and also you can send your payslip as well, Boni at lifereset.boni.com. It could be from any industry. Mina, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.